Hi! In front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening Themes app and then clicking on Themes section at the top. Following that, you can tap on one of those themes right away, pick one of those options, or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Wherever you decided, after tapping on the best theme for you, hit download at the bottom. Lastly, select Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you need to access the same theme app, but this time select My Account at the bottom right corner. Then click on Themes section at the top and tap on POCO or Limitless. Then select Apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!